Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to make a quick video with my 2007 Chevy pickup here. I'm washing it, getting ready to sell it, and I'm trying the toothpaste trick on the headlight covers. And you can see already, you can see how clear this one is and how foggy this one is. I spent maybe 2 minutes with toothpaste on this one so far, and it's made a huge difference already. You can see the difference there, it's just huge. So now I'm gonna try this bottom one. I don't know if I'll be able to film and scrape at the same time, but I'm gonna give it a try and you'll be able to see the change as it happens. Okay, I'm using quite a lot of toothpaste here. So you want to put it on pretty liberally. Hopefully I can do this and hold the phone at the same time. I am posting this video on my gaming channel, but I wanted to let you know this is from the Geriatric Goon Squad Garage channel, my other YouTube channel where I restore cars and do stuff like this. Basically, the idea here is toothpaste is a very mild abrasive. Think about it as, you know, sandpaper or sanding compound, except really, really mild. So that's about 2 minutes, I think, of rubbing. Now we're going to rub it off, see what happens. That's a huge difference. And I haven't even rinsed it with water yet. I'm sure there's still a haze of toothpaste on there. Alright, so here we go once again. You can see the difference already. Let's see what happens when we rinse the toothpaste off with some clean water. That is night and day, guys. Look at that. Let's do the top one as well. Look at that. Looks damn near brand new. Now let's look at the ones on the other side of the car. Those haven't been done yet. Those have been done. All that was some Pronamel intensive repair toothpaste for sensitive teeth and cavity prevention. So this car will not get cavities, or this truck I should say, will definitely not get cavities, but the headlights will look so much better. And this took me 10 minutes to do one side total, and the cost of, you know, toothpaste, some paper towels, and a little water was all it took. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.